All right, so go ahead and
All right,
put
now
that backsplash in
we're
there.
gonna do a dry fit of the piece that goes in here.
Now, what kind of what you've got? It's all solid copper.
It's well, it's laminated. There's 1/8 inch, two pieces of 1/8 inch copper, so it's 1/4 inch overall thickness, and then we have this little decorative medallion that kind of like a little metal motif.
Yeah, I found that in
goes
England of all places on eBay.
And then we got a 3/4 radius here. It was bent in a hydraulic press to form the radius, and we capped the ends with pieces of copper.
How much?
Buffed the whole thing out.
How much pressure did it take to bend that?
About 20 tons. It maxed out the.
That's incredible.
Let me get it centered here, then we'll get it all dry fit and caulked into place.
That is fantastic. That is a real tribute to.
Yeah, that really. That's pretty stunning.
It's just, yeah. All right, now we're actually back with the install of this copper backsplash. Rob, how did you actually get it to connect to the wall?
Well, I did a dry fit on here, and I put it up and I measured roughly where the holes were going to go. It's not too critical at this point because we've got a big enough hole we can slide it around, move it. And then I spotted the holes. I took the screws out and I had a drill and just spotted the holes. Took this out, and then you can see behind here, I took a masonry bit and drilled a 3/4 inch diameter hole on either side. And that's the screw threads into an expander.
Okay.
And then I put the expander on the end of the screw and push it in the wall, and it's grabbed. And now we're ready to just kind of get it shoved up there. And
you put just a little piece of a rubber gasket on the bottom.
yeah, on the bottom to seal it,
seals.
so water can't run underneath and get behind the
Excellent.
sink. And that way it's removable. If you ever wanted to take this off, you just unscrew the
And I don't have
screw.
to deal with any unsightly caulk or
Right,
anything like
right.
that.
So we just get it centered up here, and we're good to go.
And then cinch it down.
That's it, yeah. Gotta wait till that expander grabs the hole, and I got a 3-inch screw in there.
Okay.
You have to start out with pretty long screws so you can.
Would you cut them down so they were as deep as you wanted them?
No, I left them long because you got to have enough play in there to get the expander through the hole and past the little mortar bed and the tile. The tile's 3/8 thick, and then the mortar bed's probably 1/2 inch or so. So you got to go through all that material before the expander will release and open up.
Gotcha.
So you have to have a kind of a long screw to make that happen.